For assignment 19.2, we talked about hidden sheets. If you right-click any of the tabs, you can unhide any hidden sheets. This one is categories. So if we go into Power BI and then Get Data, Excel Workbook, and then click on Hidden Sheets, it comes up and we can select any one of these data ranges and transform the data. All we have to do is delete the change type and the promoted headers, and then we can find the categories sheet that was previously hidden. You can see under hidden it is true. And then in order to include that with us, we simply have to change expenses range worksheet to categories and then hit enter, and it creates a column that looks like this, and then we enabled and moved.